Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm so excited to share with you this recipe of how I prepared mixed vegetables stir fry. This is a one pot cookie and feel free to use whatever vegetables that you like. That is the concept of this channel, to be able to use whatever ingredients within your reach and customize it to make a lovely dish. So let's cook this together, folks. I love you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So here are the ingredients I'll be using for this meal, but always feel free to use whatever vegetables that you prefer and just follow the steps. Here I'll be using broccoli, kale, cabbage, carrot, bell peppers, onion, and here is this Paul and Silas, garlic and ginger, and now we have here garden eggs and chili, and here is my olive oil. Also I have my oyster sauce and soy sauce, then my dried ingredients. Okay, feel free to always use whatever you have. You can always achieve a delicious meal. Next thing, let's cook. In our hot pan we'll be adding up our olive oil and heat it up, and once it's been heated up I'll be adding in Paul and Silas. Sorry, I mean garlic and ginger. They are good together. These two are good together. The same way you and I, we are good together. So I'm making this and you are subscribing it. That's how we're good together. Next thing goes in our oyster sauce and soy sauce. These two are also good together. The same way you and I good together, and let's stir this together. Just keep stirring. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Marry them together. And the next thing goes in are carrots. We are adding carrots now because it's harder than the rest of the ingredients. So the harder ones goes in first. So all of them will be freshly cooked at the end. So now goes in our garden eggs. Normally we call it eggplant here in Canada. That's my bird, you can hear. To say yes, that's a very good meal. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay on one-on-one with me. So, and now goes in our onions. Onions. Yes. You know why? To elevate the flavor. And then goes in our broccoli. Our broccoli goes in now. Oh, I love broccoli. This food is highly nutritious. Please feel free to prepare this meal. And this, now what will happen is this. This is very good for even a sick patient. Eat this. It will help you boost your immune. Now cover and cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Next thing, add up your dried ingredients. Here I'll be adding salt, turmeric powder, black pepper. Use whatever herbs that you have. But this I'm using turmeric powder, black pepper and salt. So I didn't add, if you watch you can observe that there is no chicken sauce. Now goes in my chili, and next my bell peppers. Bell peppers, you all know, boosts, have this succulent taste. So that's why, so you add it now so everything comes out fresh, not overcooked. Now stir and add up our cabbage and kale at the end. Now the food is almost ready. You see, it didn't even take up to 5 minutes. So just cover it up so it will shrink. Cover it so the heat will shrink it. Now you see, it's easy. You can stir, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn it around, turn it. Keep turning it. Turn it so that the whole spice, the whole dried ingredients and everything, so everything will mix up together and have this uniform look. Okay, so it will form a rainbow color by mixing up thoroughly. Okay, and now you see, now cover and serve. Where's your plate? Is your plate here? I can't find your plate. I can only find my plate here. Oh, better you use your own plate there and serve this to yourself and enjoy a very good meal. I love you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Nice cooking with you. God bless you.
And it's ready to serve.